हमेशा के लिए, forever, forever, कम से कम, at least, कुछ नहीं, nothing, और एक, one more, यहाँ ध्यान दो, focus here, इसे संभालो, handle this, वापस आओ, come back, समझाओ इसे, explain it, फिर से देखो, look again, एक बार और, once more, फिर से पढ़ो, read again, मुझे अनुमति दो, allow me, अभी शुरू करो, start now, खुद को बचाओ, save yourself, फिर से सोचना, think again, ऐसा क्यों, why so, कोई शक नहीं, no doubt, मुझे मालूम है, I know, ऐसा लगता है, it seems, किस लिए, for what, इसे छोड़ दो, skip it, आगे देखो, look ahead, सबको बता दो, tell everybody, फिर से शुरू करो, start over, धीरे धीरे खाओ, eat slowly, बहादुर बनो, be brave, इसे बदल दो, replace it, कुछ खा लो, eat something, कुछ बोलो, say something, इसे खत्म करो, finish it, साफ बोलो, speak clearly, चिढ़ाना बंद करो, stop teasing, नजर न लगे, touch wood, उसे मनाओ, convince him, ठंडे दिमाग से सोचो, think calmly, आँख मत मारो, don't wink, याद नहीं, don't remember, फिक्र मत करो, don't worry, जैसी तुम्हारी इच्छा, as you wish, पागल हो क्या, are you crazy, यहाँ कोई नहीं है, nobody is here, संभव है, it is possible, तुम मनहूस हो, you are jinx, मैं तुमसे शर्त लगाता हूँ, I bet you, तुम बेशर्म हो, you are shameless, सामान बांध लो, pack the luggage, इस मामले को छोड़ दो, leave this matter, मुझसे बात करो, talk to me, वहाँ मिलते हैं, See you there. See you there. मुझे बदनाम मत करो. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. मैं सुन रहा हूँ. I am listening. I am listening. बात सुनो मेरी. Listen to me. Listen to me. तुम कैसी हो? How are you? How are you? ये तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. बहुत गर्म है. It is very hot. It is very hot. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. तुम्हें कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? रास्ता बंद मत करो. Don't block the way. Don't block the way. तुम चुप क्यों हो? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? तुम कल कहाँ थी? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? आपको क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? मुझे आइसक्रीम पसंद है. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. वह आदमी कौन है? Who is that man? Who is that man? वे मेरे पिताजी हैं. He is my father. He is my father. तुम यहाँ क्यों आए? Why did you come here? Why did you come here? आपका इरादा क्या है? What are your intentions? What are your intentions? तुम सुनते क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't you listen? Why don't you listen? उसे बहुत अकेलापन महसूस हुआ. He felt very lonely. He felt very lonely. मेरे पैसे चोरी हो गए. My money was stolen. My money was stolen. मुझे गलत मत समझिए. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. कुछ खास नहीं चल रहा है. Nothing special going on. Nothing special going on. आप कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? तुम कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. I am from Delhi. I am from Delhi. और स्वाद कैसा है? And how is the taste? And how is the taste? ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay, no problem. It's okay, no problem. मुझे आपसे बात करनी है. I have to talk to you. I have to talk to you. ये किसके बारे में है? What is it all about? What is it all about? ये आपके बारे में है. It's all about you. It's all about you. मैं घर जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go to home. I want to go to home. आपका घर कितनी दूर है? How far is your home? How far is your home? मैं यहाँ काम ढूंढने आया था. I came here looking for work. I came here looking for work. मेरा कोई ऐसा वैसा इरादा नहीं है. I have no such intentions. I have no such intentions. क्या आप मुझसे क्रोधित हैं? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? ऐसी बात मत कहो. Don't say such a thing. Don't say such a थिंग। वह अच्छे कमा लेता है। He earns well. He earns well. मुझसे पैसे मत मांगो। Don't ask me for money. Don't ask me for money. मैं पटियाला शहर में रहता हूँ। I live in Patiala city. I live in Patiala city. वह मेरे पड़ोस में रहता है। He lives in my neighborhood. He lives in my neighborhood. उसकी हालत बुरी है। He is in a bad state. He is in a bad state. मैंने पुरानी गाड़ी खरीदी। I bought an old car. I bought an old car. मैं उससे शादी करना चाहता हूँ। I want to marry her. I want to marry her. तुमने कैसे बनाया? How did you make it? How did you make it? मैं 10 बजे वापस आऊँगा। I'll be back at 10. I will be back at 10. मेरी टिकट खो गई है। I have lost my ticket. I have lost my ticket. मैं समझा नहीं। I did not understand. I did not understand. मैं उससे पूछना भूल गया। I forgot to ask him. I forgot to ask him. मैंने फ़ोन कर लिया है। I have already called. I have already called. मैंने अभी तक नहीं खाया है। I haven't eaten yet. I haven't eaten yet. वह जल्दी ही ठीक हो जाएगा। He will get well soon. He will get well soon. तुम मुझे उससे लड़वा रहे हो। You are making me fight him. You are making me fight him. तुमने पूरा पढ़ लिया क्या? Did you read it at all? Did you read it at all? मैं अपने आप करना चाहता हूँ। I want to do it myself. I want to do it myself. वह मेरे लिए मुश्किल है। It is difficult for me. It is difficult for me. वह नरम दिल वाली है। She has a gentle heart. She has a gentle heart. आपका स्टेशन आ गया। Here is your station. Here is your station. समय की नज़ाकत को समझें। Understand the delicacy of time. Understand the delicacy of time. मैं तुमसे ज़रूर मिलूँगा। I will surely meet you. I will surely meet you.